Hey guys, Becki-licious here. I've got my cute pink apron on because I'm ready to make some sweet heat, fall off the bone ribs, and you don't even need a barbecue for it, so let's go. Make sure to stick around for the remainder of this video so you can see how amazingly easy these ribs were to make, and you can impress everybody with them. All right, first step in these mango habanero ribs is we're going to make up the sauce. So we've got our barbecue sauce, and I always use my Sweet Baby Ray's. That's my fave. So we're gonna get all of this yumminess in here. And then I have a whole jar of seedless raspberry jam. So I'm gonna get that in there. And then we've got one diced up habanero pepper, because you got to have that sweet heat in there. There we go. So we're going to get this all mixed up. So while we're mixing this up, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, we've already got our oven turned on, so we're going to bake these low and slow. So oven is on 325. And these are going to bake for about 3 hours, so it's going to smell absolutely amazing in the house. All right, we've got these all mixed up. Now we are going to head over to our rib station and get them all ready. All right, so I've already got my ribs. Look at how yummy these look, nice and thick. So they are going to go on our aluminum foil. And I'm going to slather this on, and then I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to do the rest on the other side. All right, so we're going to get this puppy flipped on over. And then the sauce goes on the rest of the top. Oh, yummy. Very carefully going to get this all wrapped up. Each one's got its own little sealed up little aluminum foil packet. So we want each one done up, and then, like I said, time to go in the oven. These raspberry habanero ribs are going in the oven, 325, like I said. All right, these habanero raspberry ribs are smelling to die for. So we're going to pull them out because they have been in here for a while. So we are going to pull down the aluminum foil. I'm going to slather a little bit of just regular barbecue sauce on the top, and then we're going to put these in the broiler for about 8 minutes or so, and then it's going to be time to plate up. Just a little tiny bit more on the top, and then this is going to broil up. This is going to be amazing. Look at how yummy those were. And this was just in the oven. Didn't have to mess around getting out that barbecue grill. Habanero raspberry ribs are done. We are ready to plate up and eat. Oh, look at how yummy those look. All right. All right. We're going to plate up because I'm ready to eat. Dinner is served. Look at this. Looks like I drug out the barbecue and was just barbecuing all day, and I didn't have to. I got to do this all in my oven. How easy was that? See? Gotta love it. And these smell, like I said, to die for, and they're even better. I've actually made this recipe once before, but I kind of had a request to make it again, so I figured I'd show you guys again how to make it since it was so easy. Look at these. What did I say? Falling off the bone ribs. You gotta love it. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Now it's time to try a bite. Oh, look at how yummy that looks. Oh, that looks so good. There we go. Cheers. If you liked this video, click on this one.